Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are well in this pandemic situation. I am MD Tanvir Khan and I am the course instructor of the course for the semester of summer 2021. I think all of you are concerned or knew the name of the course. The course name is Surveying and the course code is CE304. So this is our first week lecture, and in this lecture I have just focused on the course curriculum and the introduction portion of the course. If you feel or face any difficulties or problems to relate it in the course, kindly contact with me without any hesitation. My contact profile was also added in the course curriculum, that is in the e-learning platform just below the course description of the course. So if you face any problems, I will be always available to solve your problems as soon as possible, and I will try my best to guide you properly and try to giving some meaningful content or lecture of this course. So now let's start the first week lecture of this course. These slides represent some kinds of course title or course descriptions, and also including some outcomes of this course. Here you see that the course title is Surveying, course code is CE304, and course is 3 credit hours. If you completed this course, you can also find out some course outcome after completing this course, and this course has some rational or objective. That is, this course is intended for hydrologists, civil engineers, hydraulic engineers, highway engineers, and environmental engineers. After completing this course, they will have basic knowledge about the methods of surveying in advanced level. They will have basic knowledge about phototheodolite and its different components, aerial and ground surveying, project surveying, field work, terrestrial photogrammetry, hydrographic surveying, and other things like GPS, GIS, and remote sensing. So at the end of the course, students, that means all of you, will be able to know about the 3 types of course outcome. That is, understanding the principle of field surveying, apply the knowledge of survey in the field of civil engineering application, and also relate the GIS and GPS information with the application of surveying. And this is our unit learning outcome, that is prepared according to our outcome based irrigation systems. And here is the one table that there are the 4 types of characters or patterns, that is unit learning outcome, course content, what is our teaching learning strategy, and what is assessment strategy. First of all, you see that we are going to teach you some to provide the lecture note or video visualization, and also PowerPoint presentation slide. And we are given some assessment in the weekly basis, and that can be quiz, assignment, discussion forum, and other things, that is term paper or case study. And here you also see 1 or 2 main reference book that related in the course, that is a textbook of surveying by M.A. Aziz and the surveying by B.C. Panmia. and one of textbooks is added in your e-learning platform. If you want, you can easily download this main reference book and keep it in your text. And also this course profile or course outcome or course curriculum added in the e-learning platform for your better understanding about the course section. And this is our vision and mission. That is the vision and mission of university or vision and mission of departmental, that is civil engineering departmental. Vision of World University of Bangladesh: to create leaders who will make his or her brain as the tiniest factory capable of making enormous contributions to economic emancipation and social well-being of Bangladesh. Mission of World University of Bangladesh: to become a university of quality and distinction, enabling students to flourish academically, personally and socially through utilitarian education at an affordable cost. The academic program of this university are continually updated and improved to reflect the latest development in engineering area. Vision of Civil Engineering Department: to be an internationally renowned civil engineering department for producing leaders who will contribute to economic emancipation as well as national development in the field of civil engineering. Mission of Civil Engineering Department: to advance engineering knowledge and learning through utilitarian education and research in the pursuit of fulfilling the aspiration of the university and the nation in the field of civil engineering. And here is the sum, that's mean 4 program education objective of civil engineering department. And first program educational objective is successfully applying their learned skill throughout their professional pursuit. Then have enthusiasm and aptitude to continuously pursue learning and professional development. Third program educational objective is have the ability to communicate and work as individuals or as a team members that include engineers and colleagues from other disciplines. And final objective is have recognition as qualified engineers with high ethical values. And these slides represent the program outcome. Initially we are just know about the course outcome that will be find or that will be earned at the end of the course. And here is the sum program outcomes. There will be 12 program outcomes, and in each course it will be covered 1 or 2 or 3 program outcomes. And at the end of the semester or at the end of your entire university session, then you will be able to learn about all of the programs outcomes. And this is the engineering knowledge, problem analysis, design and development of solution, investigations, modern tool uses, the engineering and society. These slides also contain the program outcomes that is related to the previous slide. And here is the another 6 of program outcome, that is environment and sustainability, ethics, individuals work and teamwork, communication, project learning or planning, and financials and lifelong learning. And this is the 12th program outcome. So remember, when you are completing all of the course of your semester or of your undergraduate level, at that time you can learn about the all of the program outcomes. Otherwise the 12th program outcome didn't covered within one course only covered 2 or 3 program outcomes. This is the course outline. Here we are divided within the 12 weeks. That means we are going through 12 weeks, and each week we are following the each unit learning outcome, and we will be covered each week course content. And there is the 6th week, and in the forward section or forward slide you will be see another 6-week course outline. So each week we are given unit learning outcomes or course content according to the PowerPoint presentation slide, video visualization or PDF file, and each of the week we are going to make some of the assessment, which can be quiz, which can be assignment, or can be discussion forum. This is also another 6-week course outcome. That means we are divided 12 week all of the course of this or all of the syllabus in this course. So this is easy going to you or to me to easily provided the lecture according to the course outlined. So if you feel any problems, you can contact with me without any hesitation. So this is the slide, that is the definition of serving. Previously we are just going through the our course outline or course curriculum. Now we are just go through the some of the topics or some of the materials of the course, and first topics, that is the serving. So the course name is serving, so you should be know what is the serving and what is the main definition of serving. So serving is the technique of finding the relative position of different features on the surface of the earth by taking measurements and finally representing them on a sheet of paper known as plan or map. So there are mainly two classifications of serving, that is the plane serving. Plane serving deals with small areas on the earth's surface, assuming the surface of the land to be plane. And in the plane serving, the curvature of the earth is neglected. And the second classification or classified section is geodetic or trigonometrical surveying. Geodetic surveying deals with the vast area and also consider the curvature of the earth's surface. These slides represent the plane surveyings. Plane surveying may be again subdivided in the following ways, that is chain surveying. It is the simplest type of surveying in which the area to be surveyed is divided into a number of triangles. The whole area is then plotted on a drawing sheet to a suitable scale to prepare a map. Then traverse surveying. It is a type of surveying in which the plot of land to be surveyed is enclosed by a series of straight lines making angles with one another. The length of the lines and angles are measured and plotted on a drawing sheet with in all interior angles or details to prepare a map. The third plane surveying is plane table surveying. That is, it is a method in which observations and plottings are done simultaneously. And final plane surveying is ordinary leveling. It is a type of surveying in which the relative elevations of different points on the earth's surface are determined. There are the 4 types of plane surveying, and that is the chain surveying, traverse surveyings, plane table surveyings, and ordinary leveling. These slides represent the geodetic surveying. According or based on plane surveying, geodetic surveying has a 5 subdivision, that is the triangulation, reciprocal leveling, stadia surveying, astronomical surveying, and photographic surveying. First of the triangulation. In this type of surveying, a network of well-defined triangles are formed on the plot of land to be surveyed. Then reciprocal leveling. This type of surveying is required when need to obtain the difference in level between the 2 points which are in obstacles. stadia surveying. It is a method in which vertical and horizontal distance are computed from stadia readings. Astronomical surveying. It is a special branch of surveying in which meridian, azimuth, latitude, longitude, time, etc. or is extra of a place on the surface of the earth and determined by observation of some heavenly bodies. And final subdivision is photographic surveying. This is a type of surveying in which maps are prepared with the help of photographs. And here we also added some importance of surveying, that is surveying is required or need to prepare a plan and map for a project. Using surveying map to prepare best alignment of project. So if you didn't use any surveying, we did not prepare the best way of alignment. Amount of earthwork or volume or other things, we should need to follow the materials that we provided in the course of surveying. Without any or proper surveying, nobody can be imagine any construction in the field of civil engineering. And surveying reduce the cost of project, and also it is the time effective to properly completion of the project. And this slides is the recognitions of surveying. So at first you should need to know what is the recognitions of survey. The recognized survey is an extensive study of an entire area that might be used for a route or airfield. Its purpose is to eliminate those routes or sites which are impractical or unfeasible and to identify the more promising routes or sites. A reconnaissance surveying is defined as an examination of all or part of an area accomplished in suitable detail to make generalizations about the types and distributions of historic properties that may be present within a given project area. Reconnaissance survey represents a type of field survey that is often used to gather initial information regarding the presence or absence of historic properties within a project area. It is also known as the preliminary survey. It is used as commencement of any project work through suggesting possible alternative path and routes. It needs to be done with greater efficiency and cost accuracy for identifying these alternative paths and routes. And reconnaissance survey has 4 phases that should be following according to stepwise, and that is the research. First we should be research about the project, then the draft report outlined, and according to the research we are trying to summarize or report, that is draftly or roughly, and then the draft sensibility map, and finally we should be submit or prepared a final report. So this is the end of the first week lecture of the course, and in this week I have just focused on the course curriculums or course outline. Then we are just go to some of the course outcome or program learning outcome, and we are just literally go through on the topics that's based on surveying and recognition surveying. So if you have feel any difficulty to understand about the course material, then you can contact me without any hesitations. I will be also taking a live session or live class within a week, and I will be provided the information about it. So if you have any inquiry about the course, you can also question in the live sessions. So thank you everyone, stay safe and stay connected.